For this recap, pwede rin siyang recommendation kasi this manga is super new. Isang chapter pa lang siya. So, it could be both recommendation and recap. Oh, and by the way, the manga is Shadow Eliminators. The story starts off with a high school kid named Yayoi Azakaze. Si Yayoi is first year pa lang pero member na siya nung parang police force nung school nila. Maybe not exactly police pero mga monitors. So on what I think is the first day of school, sinaraduhan niya ng gate yung mga students na late. One of those students na late is Aoba Kuromori. Even though the gates were already shut, tinalon lang ni Aoba yung mga gate. Of course, being a monitor, big concern yon kay Yayoi. Namana kasi ni Yayoi yung kanyang sense of justice sa kanyang lolo na dating policeman. Namatay yung lolo niya dahil nabangga siya ng sasakyan while protecting an elementary student. Anyway, going back, biglang may naramdaman si Aoba na parang negative energy so bigla siyang tumakbo papunta ron. And of course, sinundan siya ni Yayoi. Pumasok si Aoba in what seems to be a portal na tinawag niyang hollow and then na-surprise siya kasi pati si Yayoi nakapasok din. Doon sa loob, merong student na parang possessed. So, in-exorcise yun ni Aoba with the help of his grandmother. After that, meron lang konting conversation between Aoba, Yayoi, and Aoba's grandmother. Nung pauwi na si Yayoi, may nasalubong siyang student and that student seems to be parang distressed. And then nalaman niya na isa sa mga teachers pala nila is na-possessed din dahil sa kagagawan nung estudyante na nasalubong niya. This time, the possession was different kasi naging kasane yung teacher. Not the teacher exactly, pero yung shadows sa heart niya. Yayoi tries to fight the kasane pero syempre nahirapan siya. And then dumating si Aoba. Aoba defeats the kasane using his technique na kung saan yung right hand niya ay naging blade. And those are pretty much the highlights of the first chapter ng Shadow Eliminators. And as always, go read!